Hi guys, it's Jay Kaushal, writer, motivational speaker, and life coach. This is going to be the final video of the introductory initial 3 videos that I wanted to do about life coaching, and we're going to proceed straight to the business end of the series. The next 10 videos about journaling, and then about support groups, and then about meditation. So I thought I had given you a pretty good overview in the first 2 videos about journaling, the first 2 videos about support groups. This is the best place that I could think of to give you a nice overview about meditation. Rishikesh considered widely as the go-to place for meditation, for all the sadhus, for all the people who are searching for peace. We have the Shivananda ashram here. In the background you can see the beautiful Ram Jhula, and this is actually considered the place as well where Lord Ram came to do penance for killing Ravana. And this is the holy Ganges. As you can see, the cold water is actually washing right through my feet as I'm shooting this video right now, and it's 4 a.m. It's beautiful. I just want to give you a brief overview about meditation before I take you through to these intense videos with a lot of information coming up. What is meditation, guys? What is meditation? I've told you a little bit about meditation. Meditation is become one with the elements. Meditation is understanding that everything is a part of you and you're a part of everything. Meditation is understanding that the easiest way to balance your life is to feel the elements inside you and to feel yourself in all of the elements. That is what meditation is. That is the kind of meditation that Zen Buddhism will teach you to an extent. That is also the kind of meditation that Hinduism will teach you to an extent. That is also the kind of meditation that Jainism will teach you to an extent. That is the universal language of meditation. Being one with the 5 elements: earth, air, water, fire, space. That is all that meditation is. If you can do that, if you can learn to balance these 5 elements inside your body, if you can feel these elements inside your body, if you can balance these elements outside and inside and bring them to an equilibrium, you are meditating. That is all that meditation is. All that fancy talk, all that crazy talk about meditating this way and that way, this is the easiest way to do it. That's all I want to tell you before I take you through to a surprise location where we're going to start shooting for journaling and then support groups. That's all that meditation is, and I highly suggest that you take out the time every day to just let yourself flow like water, like the air, and just feel the oneness inside of you. If you can do that, you're meditating. And if you're meditating, and if you're one with the elements, if you're one with nature, that is all you need. This is going to be a short video, but that's really all that there is to meditation. That's really all that I want to say to you. And I just want to show you a little bit about the beautiful flow of the Ganges, the longest river in India. How beautiful it looks. How peaceful this beautiful bridge looks in the background. They say that the Ram Jhula is actually where Lakshman crossed the Ganges by a ropeway bridge. I wasn't able to find or corroborate a similar story for the Ram Jhula, but here you have the Ram Jhula in the background, and you can see the beautiful Ganges flowing. It's so peaceful. And it's 4 a.m. and I guess I need to be left alone. I'm gonna see you when we start the series on journaling, and then support groups, and then meditation. And before I do that, I just want to tell you that it doesn't matter how busy your life is. It doesn't matter how crazy your goals are. If you're not in tune with the elements, you're not getting anywhere. You need to be in tune with the elements to be able to feel what your life is worth. And unless you can do that, unless you can just let the child inside you flow, unless you can just allow yourself to feel the simple pleasures of immersing yourself in the cold water, of feeling the oneness, unless you can do that, all of it is just a waste. Don't let your life go to waste, okay? Feel the oneness. It's easy. There is nothing. Just don't think about anything. I want to teach you all of that later on, but just right now, just know that. Feel the oneness with the elements. Do nothing. Just let yourself flow. Allowing yourself to flow is meditation. That is all that there is. Allowing the child inside you to come out is meditation. Okay? So this is Jay Kaushal, guys. Signing off. I'm going to see you in part 1 of the 10-part series that we're going to do on journaling next. This is Jay Kaushal from Rishikesh. Signing off. Bye-bye. Hari Om. Take care.